What is the best time to prune apple trees? The answer is late winter. How do you prevent damping off in seedlings? The correct choice is airflow. Why is crop rotation used in vegetable beds? Time's up. It's pest control. What is the main benefit of using neem oil? The answer is pest control. Where should you place a new compost pile? The answer is level ground. How much water do most lawns need per week? And the answer is 1 inch. When should you harvest sweet corn? The answer is milky juice. What nutrient does yellowing leaves indicate? And the answer is nitrogen. Why are marigolds planted with tomatoes? Here is the answer. Repel pests. How do you test soil drainage in a garden? Answer. Perk test. What is the purpose of hardening off plants? The answer is acclimatization. When should you divide perennial daylilies? The answer is early spring. Why is mulch used around garden plants? The answer is retain moisture. How do you treat powdery mildew on leaves? The answer is fungicide. What defines a biennial plant life cycle? Here is the answer. 2 years. Where are most nutrients absorbed in roots? Answer. Root hairs. Why should you avoid overhead watering? The correct choice is disease risk. How do you naturally enrich soil with nitrogen? The correct choice is legumes. What tool is best for cutting thick branches? Did you guess it? The answer is loppers. When is the best time to water a garden? Time's up. It's early morning. Why is lime added to garden soil? Here is the answer. Raise pH. What is the effect of too much nitrogen? Time's up. It's excess leaves. How do you propagate mint plants easily? The correct choice is root cuttings. Where do you find the most beneficial worms? Did you guess it? The answer is topsoil. Why should you sharpen garden tools often? Time's up. It's clean cuts. What does NPK stand for on fertilizer? And the answer is element ratios. When should you harvest basil leaves? The correct choice is before bloom. How do you control slugs in a garden bed? Did you guess it? The answer is beer traps. Why is light essential for seed germination? Time's up! It's trigger growth! What is the purpose of a dibber tool? And the answer is planting holes. How deep should most seeds be planted? And the answer is twice its size. Where does a potato plant store energy? The correct choice is tubers. Why is companion planting used by many? The answer is synergy. When should you stop fertilizing in fall? Did you guess it? The answer is late August. What is the main cause of root rot? Answer, overwatering. How does allelopathy affect plant growth? Time's up! It's toxic release! Why is the scion important in grafting? Did you guess it? The answer is desired fruit. What is the role of auxin in plant stems? The answer is cell expansion. How does the photoperiod affect flowering? Here is the answer. Day length. When is a dormant spray applied to trees? Here is the answer. Late winter. Why is clay soil prone to compaction? The answer is small particles. What is the benefit of a determinate tomato? The answer is set fruit once. How does gibberellic acid affect plants? Answer, stem growth. Where is the meristem located on a plant? Answer, growing tips. Why is the carbon to nitrogen ratio vital? The answer is decomposition. What describes an indeterminate tomato type? Answer, vining growth. How does scarification help some seeds? The correct choice is breaks dormancy. Why is blossom end rot common in tomatoes? Time's up. It's calcium lack. When is stratification used for seeds? Did you guess it? The answer is cold period. What is the result of tip layering? Answer, new plant. And that's a wrap. Thanks for playing along. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. Catch you in the next video.